What's going on, guys? Let's go ahead and check out the 2009 Honda CR-V EXL in the nice baby blue color. Overall, great condition. Rear wiper, the alloy rims with the very meaty tread, as you can see. Very well taken care of vehicle. If you go ahead and take a look inside, you got yourself your power windows, power locks, and your power mirrors. You also have your power seats. Inside on the steering wheel, you got yourself all of your volume controls for the radio, and you also have all of your cruise settings. The VSA stands for pretty much your traction control. Let's go ahead and turn the vehicle on. Now the stereo itself is a 6-disc CD player, which sounds very rich, very crisp. You have your cup holders right here, plus a little compartment right in there, and your center console right in there. You do have a great glove compartment right here that you open up, and you got all of your original owner's literature. And in case you ever wanted to lock it, you just use the key itself and you turn it to the left, and it can't be opened up. You also have another little extension of the glove compartment right here. You have tweeters on the dash and speakers all around the door itself. Power windows for each of the passengers. You have a visor, a moonroof, and you have the little handles for all of the drivers the driver and the passenger. You also have heated seats, or as we like to say here, seated heats. It does bring an automatic transmission, and the AC and heater are working extremely well. As a passenger, this is an SUV, so I mean you're gonna have more than enough room. You also have the little pockets to be able to carry stuff inside of, as well as the little bottle holders on the side of the door. Overall, this is a very spacious vehicle. It feels really good, and it's a very sturdy drive overall. In the rear, you have a great trunk with the little cover right here that you can put over everything to make sure that you hide everything in the back in case you need to. You also have the spare jack and wrench. All you got to do is just lift up this little cover. Oh, the seats do fold down as well, so in case you ever needed to carry extra stuff, it's actually all of the instructions on how to do so. Under the hood, the 2009 CR-V is equipped with the 2.4 liter VTEC 4-cylinder. It actually gets about 20 miles to the gallon in the city and 27 miles to the gallon in the highway, so it is actually a very economical vehicle considering that you're driving around an SUV, so you can't really go wrong with this kind of car. This was the 2009 Honda CR-V EXL. Let us know if you have any questions about the vehicle or our financing options. As you know, Westland Auto Sales is all of your in-house needs covered, so whether it's good credit, bad credit, or no credit, we got you. Give us a call here at 559-444-0123. Let's set up an appointment so you can take this home. Let us know that you watched the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye!